on into Miss Dana's kitchen.
Hey everybody, have I got a recipe that you are going to absolutely love? Shortnin bread. Do you remember that, hearing about that whenever we were younger? Well, this recipe uses one bowl and one pan. And what's more perfect for summertime than something this simple? And here we go. We've got 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I'm sorry, Nico's talking to me, so I got a little distracted. Just a little pinch of salt, and that's a Dana pinch, but anyway, a pinch of salt. And I'm going to blend these together really quickly. The recipe actually doesn't ask you to do that, but I kind of do that every time I use flour and baking powder or baking soda and salt. Just blend them all together. So first we're going to cream together 2 eggs. You know what, Sharon, we should have timed this because I bet it takes about 3 minutes.
Yeah,
I know. And your butter needs to be room temperature, like really soft. So I've been letting it sit out on the counter, and then I'm just going to cream these together. Actually, I'm going to have to use a wire whisk because I'm not sure if this is going to do it. Let me get a wire whisk. It's soft, but it's not melted. So if you want to melt it just a little bit, like in your microwave, you can do that, and that will work as well.
So it's not hot, I guess, so scrambled eggs don't get made.
Yeah. Okay, so you just want to cream these together. Now, you know what? You can actually use your blender. I love recipes, though, that you don't have to get out any electric tool. You can just do it all by hand. And a lot of people who are bakers, they say that if you can actually mix all your batters by hand, it's much better because the end result is much more tender. So we're going to mix this together, cream this together until it's pretty well incorporated. Almost got it. I actually don't like to use my mixer whenever we're doing videos because it's loud. But here we go.
It's a workout.
It's a workout. I'm gonna have big old, what do you call them, guns?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's get the butter off of here. Put that in there. And then actually, you know, whenever you have a little butter that's like that in the mix, like in biscuits or something, it melts as it bakes. It makes it so good. Okay, I'm gonna add the flour and the baking powder and the salt that I mixed together. This, you know what other thing I love about these old recipes is that you can make them with stuff that you already have in your kitchen. So I'm going to get some milk. 1 cup of milk. And this needs to be whole milk. Actually, in recipes, in the older recipes, they call it sweet milk because there are 2 options then were whole milk or sweet milk and buttermilk. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla and just mix all this together until it makes a really pretty batter. Actually, is what it makes. It's 2 things I like about this is that it's so simple. Things that you already have in your pantry, and you don't add any extra sugar. So I think this would be a great snack for your kids in the afternoon, or if you're having something like baked chicken or something like that for supper, it'd be an excellent piece of bread instead of a roll. So here's the batter. We're done. How about that? Look at there, y'all. It's so pretty. I'm going to put it in this loaf pan, and we're going to bake it at 350 for an hour.
Did you spray the loaf pan on?
I did. I already sprayed the loaf pan. Can put it all in there, and I actually made one this morning and and when I got back there was a half a loaf of shortening bread instead of a whole loaf. I'm not accusing anybody or saying any names, but that's what happened. So here it is. Here's the result. You can spray
That's funny.
You can spray a little butter on it with a little honey if you want, but it's actually already kind of sweet, so it's just so good.
Oh, that's cute. That's the honey. I like
the honey. Cute. Yeah. So I want to show y'all my books. I have them available. I'm working on a new cookbook, but these recipes are so special and wonderful. So you can go to MissDanaskitchen.com and buy them. You can give me a call or text rather after that'll at a number that'll be on the end of the video. I have these amazing spatulas for sale from the Amish, and right-handed and left-handed. So I was going to show y'all. Here is my left-handed spatula that I could use to get every little bit of this batter out that I love. I was telling someone at a party last night that I never have had a left-handed cooking tool, and it's just been so wonderful. I just love it. So anyway, if y'all want one of those, let me know, and you can order it on my website or send me a text. Thank you so much for joining me today. Join me next time for a little bit more Southern sweetness to remember. Bye, y'all. So whenever I was growing up, Charlene, there was a song about the shortening bread. It went like this. Mama's little baby loves shortening, shortening. Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. You like that song? You like that song?